but I know the ceiling's gone. Don't get my feel.
As y'all saw, I got my hair done. The light is like really bad, right? Let me take these out because I can't even. Yes, I got my hair done. So real long, real cute. This is 30-inch. This is the same wig I actually had installed for my birthday, but y'all, I haven't had a wig in my head since I had a wig in my head. I have a couple things I need to do before I get my lashes done later, so I was like, let me get some clean juice, y'all. I haven't had clean juice in so long. So it's just an acai bowl. It has granola, strawberry, banana, and I don't even know what else is in here, honestly, but it's so good. So grab me that. I need to go get gas because I'm irresponsible. And then I need to go to the bank because my Lash Tech only takes cash. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna run around and then I will talk to y'all when I get back to the house because y'all probably don't want to see the bank and gas. That's like, you know, nothing cute. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all when I get back to the house. It's a little later now. It's 6:42 p.m. and I'm headed to my lash appointment. It's like 30 minutes because y'all, Dallas traffic is OD now. Like, it's not even funny. But she kind of does live far. Since I moved, she kind of lives further away from me, so I'm heading there now because she changed her grace period policy, and your girl need her lashes done, so we can't play about it. So yeah, I'm on the way there right now. I just tied my edges down because if you have a frontal, you already know how it is. You gotta keep these edges laid, okay? And I got a trip coming up, so I gotta make sure that I keep these edges in place. All right, y'all, so I made it to my lash appointment. I'm sitting here putting on some socks because it be cold, okay? I didn't put a flannel on. I don't got time. If it's one thing I don't play about, it's me being cold. I know I'm about to lay here for a couple hours. It'd be hard to record getting it done, so I will show y'all when I'm done, what it looks like. And yeah, it's literally 7:30 on the dot, so let me get up in here. Good morning, y'all. So I forgot to show y'all my lashes yesterday. I came home and I was so tired, like it was a lot going on, so I literally came home, went to bed, and then I didn't pick up the camera. But yeah, so these are the lashes. They're so cute. I'm gonna have my Lash Tech link below so y'all can book her if you're out here in like Dallas type area and you need your lashes done, because y'all, this is hybrid. Okay, so super cute. So today it's like 3 o'clock and I've just been cleaning up and stuff this morning because it's nothing like coming back to a house that's dirty when you come back from a trip. So I was like, let me do that. So I've been cleaning up, showered, all that, got clean. I'm all oiled up and all that, so I'm feeling good. So I'm about to go get my nails done. But y'all, when I get to the nail salon, what I get, I'm thinking I'm gonna get Grwm for my nails. It's gonna be super cute. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get to the salon. You guys, so lashes, nails are done, toes are done. So I got like a I got like a silver chrome type look because I have this look that's gonna be real cute with this. So, and I'm like, I always do nudes and stuff, but it's vacation time, so it's time to get cute and be real different. So yeah, I'm about to go grab some food right now, and then I'm probably gonna start packing tonight. Kind of have an idea of what I'm already packing, so I want to film like a TikTok. Y'all know how people be doing them a little pack with me, film one of those little videos. So that's what I'm gonna do tonight. Other than that, that's about it. I don't really have any other maintenance I need to do. Otherwise, like, I'm just gonna shave and stuff. But I mean, that ain't nothing crazy. That ain't nothing too crazy. I get that done tomorrow, and I need to run to like a drugstore, like Walgreens or something. But other than that, we good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I start packing, if not sooner. But yeah, let me get to going. Good morning, you guys. So I'm heading to CVS to grab a couple toiletries this morning, just like last minute stuff. I don't know, just last minute things for my trip. I'm going to start packing. I didn't end up packing last night. I was tired, so we're about to get on that today. My flight is like at, my flight is like at 8 tomorrow. I want to say, actually it's like 10, but I need to be there like 8. So I need to make sure I'm packed, and I want to be in the bed halfway early tonight. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get done packing and all that super early. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing. It's currently 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. It's 12:12. Make a wish. Yeah, so I'm about to run into CVS, and then I will talk to you guys when I get back to the house. Alright y'all, so I'm about to curl my hair because I just feel like last time I got this wig installed, it was straight. So I want to give body and all that. So yeah, my edges aren't doing anything like that, so don't mind that. But y'all see the inches. Y'all see it. So I just want to do something to it because I haven't done anything to it yet. I haven't styled it at all. So we're about to, oop, I didn't make it up. So we're about to use this really small wand curl, super small, so it's gonna take me a little minute, but whatever. It's by the brand Mikasa. I don't know, I got it from Beauty Spot store, and it does what it has to do. So I'm about to get started on this. It's currently 9:13. Everything is pulled out and ready to go. I just need to actually like put it in the suitcase. So that would be the next step. So yeah. Y'all just, I'm gonna just speed this up. Y'all can just watch me curl my hair, okay?
In these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence, baby.
Alright y'all, so hair is done. I'm gonna comb it out in the morning, but I just kind of wanted it a little tighter right now, so when I sleep on it, of course, like the curls are gonna loosen up and all that. But it turns out really cute, like super cute. I just want something kind of like messy, beachy, wavy type thing. So that's what we have going on. So I'm about to pack my toiletries now. I basically have them for the most part already packed. I have so many bags, so I'm kind of trying to downsize. So I may use, y'all can't even really see me like that. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so I may use this big bag, which I just got from Urban Skin RX, because that is the face wash I use. It's by Urban Skin RX. So, because I might as well just use this bag. So I'm about to use that. Nothing too special really in my toiletry bag, to be honest, y'all. Like, new toothbrush. Love that. The deodorant I use is Dove. I don't know if y'all care, but this works really well. And this is just like the powder fresh kind. We have sunscreen, gotta have that. And all these are like 3 ounces or less. Yeah, I need to take this because one thing about me, you're supposed to, one thing about me, I'm gonna wear some sunscreen. And you're supposed to wear this even when it's cloudy outside. So this is from my dermatologist. It's by the brand Elta MD. I don't know, but it works really well. SPS 46 in it. Contact solution because your girl is blind. Contact case. Razor. You already know. I need to fill this up more, but this is my makeup remover that I use. So I use the Simple Kind of Skin Micellar water. It's really good. It's really gentle on the skin. So, oh, I'm making a mess. So I'm just about to fill this up a little bit. I probably need to put these in their own plastic bag though, because I don't want this to spill. Okay, so I just grabbed a Ziploc bag just to put this in, and then I actually put all my liquids in there because it's nothing like your bag being wet. Like, that's one of my biggest things. So I'm gonna put my contact solution in here too. And then I have some cotton pads because this is what you wipe your makeup off with. So I need to refill this little bag. And these are the best ones. They're like the premium ovals, so they're bigger, so you don't use as many, you don't use as much as you would if it was like a small, you know, the regular cotton pads. These are like the big ones. So yeah, I like to take a lot of them because you just never know. Sometimes I'll just use it. I'm not even wearing makeup. I'll just use it to cleanse my face. Okay, I kind of got a lot. That's kind of too much. At the store, I grabbed a bigger toothpaste because it's nothing like having a freaking small toothpaste and you still got days of a trip. Like, so we got the big kind. This is my favorite, Colgate Optic White. Make your teeth real white. Use that. And what else did I grab? I grabbed some gum, but of course it's not gonna go in here. And then I grabbed this little spray bottle because I grabbed this spray bottle because I need to take some foam from my edges. So we're gonna see how this works. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up. And then I grabbed some lotion. This is just a bigger one I found. It's Dr. Teal's. Let me see if it smells good. Coconut oil. It smells real beachy. So yeah, we're gonna put that in there. And then I'm about to pack my makeup bag real quick. Okay, so there's a couple other things I actually put in there. So this is my just like face lotion, cream, whatever you want to call it. And this is the product I use for my skin. This is by Urban Skin RX. Again, I'm gonna make a whole YouTube video about my skincare journey, y'all, because it's been some ish. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm taking. And I'm gonna grab a bar of soap and a washcloth because when you be out the country, you just never know. And we're staying at a private villa, so I do not want to know how to wash stuff. Like, that's not cute. That's not gonna work. And then I also have extra contacts in here. Again, blind. And that is it, and some floss. But other than that, that's all we're packing in my toiletry bag. This is me finally packing. I put all my outfits together. I was gonna film a TikTok, but I'm tired, so we're not gonna do that. So over here it's like an extra outfit, throw on stuff like 2-piece sets, leggings, skim sets, pajamas, dinner fits, bags, heels, extra stuff. These are all swimsuits with like shades are over here, more swimsuits, sandals. That's really about it. I'm about to throw all this in a bag and call it a night. If you made it this far, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the Tulum vlog. It is an all girls trip, so we're about to have a lot of fun. I look tired. I'm super tired. So I'm about to pack this stuff and then I will see y'all in the next video.
I know the ceiling's gone. Don't get my feelings hurt.